One thing I've learned today from the book Atomic Habits, sa chapter ng How to Make a Habit Irresistible. This is how dopamine works. The ability to experience pleasure remained, but without dopamine, desire died, and without desire, action died. So para manatili ka sa isang bagay o proseso na ginagawa mo, kailangan nandun yung willingness mo. Because dopamine influences the process behind craving and desire. Yung gutom mo na magpapatuloy sa isang bagay. For example, self-improvement, or gusto mong mahit yung pinaka-potential na ibinigay ng Diyos sa'yo. Maraming tao yung humihinto sa proseso nila dahil pagod na or di naman ay nauumay na. But the main reason is that wala dun yung desire na gusto nila. Kaya dopamine isn't functioning well. And hindi ko may tatanggi sa sarili ko na minsan naisip ko din na sumuko or huminto. Pero sinasabi palagi ng utak ko, sana yung discipline mo? And ayun, segundo lang nabubuhay na ulit yung dugo ko para bumangon at magpatuloy. In other words, habits are dopamine-driven feedback loop. And whenever dopamine rises, so does your motivation to act. So stay focused and enjoy the process. That's it for my day 17. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Love you all.